Dental implant surgery procedure steps. Stay tuned, I'll tell you what to expect. Dental implant surgery should follow careful treatment planning by your dentist to decide what it is that you're trying to replace. The surgical procedure itself involves a visit which takes about an hour, possibly longer if more implants are needed. The dentist will use special drills to create a site in the bone in which the implant can be placed. Depending on the brand of the implant, the type of bone, and individual conditions, we typically wait 6 weeks to 6 months for the body to create a special glue and attach itself to the implant. When we determine that the implant had integrated successfully, which means it became a part of the bone, we can attach a restoration to it. If planned and executed by a competent professional, the techniques and technology that we have in our hands today can make implant surgery expedient and painless. I'm Dr. Zev Kaufman. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell for some more solid dental advice.